What's up, guys? It is Saturday, January 21st. It's 1:32 p.m. and this is the Crypto Market Melt Up number 2 edition, because we called the first one and we called it in December when everybody, you got guys on, TikTok or YouTube sharing their predictions as far as the charts goes and like the price action saying 50% down they expect, but they never looked at a chart in their life. They don't do market updates. They don't post this stuff. We're out here every single day posting these market updates, keeping you ahead of the game when it comes to the charts and everything about it, especially with the ISO coins, because we're personally invested in the ISO coins. We believe in utility. So we're covering those coins where a lot of guys out here are just covering Bitcoin, Ethereum. We cover the XRPs, the XLMs, the HBARs, the algos, the quants, the songbirds, you name it. We're doing it. And you might wonder why I'm holding this ball right now, this tennis ball, because think of my hand as Stargate. Think of the tennis ball as the crypto market. We got the crypto market by the balls here. I'm telling you, we have crushed it in January. It's nuts. If you're in the Discord, you've probably seen the proof of gains chat, the proof of receipts. And if you're not already in the Discord, I'll put the link in the bio. Come join it and look at the proof of gains chat. Scroll back and just see how much we've been crushing it. And look at all the members and their comments. They're loving this stuff. I mean, to go from not knowing to navigate the market, not knowing, which direction it's going to go, to not even knowing about the peer-to-peer strategy, to hopping into Stargate and then absolutely crushing it from the jump. I believe that most of the members probably already made their membership fees back for the whole entire year. So what we're doing one last time, and we're going to this is the last exclusive offer for the year, because I'm realizing that we're providing a lot of value, like between the software, personal access to the software, between the software automated access that, we hook up the Stargate screener to the Discord. It's sending over tons of buy and sell alerts for all these different coins here, right? All the coins that we all love, right? Then we have our peer-to-peer signals chat to swap back and forth without having to put extra dollars in the market. We've already extended all of our cash reserves, right? For over the years of just dumping it in dollar cost average. Now we're going to utilize the strategy of trading pair-to-pair, crypto to crypto, and catching the crypto that's going to outperform and then converting that back into the previous coin that we converted from, and then make more of that crypto. So for example, XRP to HBAR trade that we did 5 days ago, right? This was XRP to HBAR right here. On the 15th, we had, and if you followed the signal to a T, you would have done it on the 7th and made more. Let's just say if you did it on the 7th, this was the sell now signal. You are literally up 37% in 14 days by converting your XRP into HBAR. Now you could convert back into XRP and have 37% more XRP than you originally did 14 days ago. But we did it on the 15th. We caught it a little late, but that's all right because we caught it right before the breakdown. We caught it right here. And in 5 days or 6 days it was, and we nailed the bottom. In 6 days, we made 30% more XRP by following the Stargate signals. But we did not convert back into XRP. I let people know in the announcements here what I was doing real time. So if you're not already in the Discord, come join the Discord, link in the bio. Also, hit the like button if you want to get in on these peer-to-peer signals, as well as hit subscribe, hit the notification bell for updates real time when I drop these videos. Basically, it was yesterday around like 3 or 4 o'clock. And I said, we crushed the XRP to HBAR peer-to-peer trade. Unbelievable, because it really was. So what I said was I'm eyeing converting half into XLM, but I just want to smell check a few more charts. And that's exactly what I did. And then I said, hey, this is what I'm doing. We're converting the HBAR into XLM because we looked at XLM versus XRP and we said, I think XLM is going to outperform XRP. So why swap back into XRP when we could swap back into XLM, do a little double hopscotch trade, and then we can ride the XLM wave and then convert back into XRP and have that much more XRP. So that's how we're playing it here. And we literally nailed the top of HBAR. So if I pull up HBAR, we had sold it right up here to the T when it was around, it was right, let me pull up the HBAR chart. We had sold it right here on this wick. It was around like close to 8 cents. We sold it. Right now it's down 10%. And what we did was we converted into XLM. So this is the XLM to HBAR chart. And we literally converted our HBAR into XLM right here at this bottom. And we're already up. We are literally already up 15% in less than a day. So that's what we're doing over here. If you want to get in on this pair-to-pair strategy that we have mastered and we have developed, then we're doing this only one time, the exclusive offer. This is the last one for the year because I realized we're offering a ton of value. And between the signals, personal access to the software, the signals in the Discord, as well as the deep dives, the market updates, the newsletter, we have amazing support. The Stargate team, Fitzy, Eric, Alan, we're in there and we're providing the support 24/7 to our premium members when they need it. We're going above and beyond. So we're doing the support, we're doing the market updates, the newsletters, the deep dives, we're providing access to the software. We have these automated Discord alerts set up. So you don't even need a trading view if you don't want it, but you don't even need a paid trading view to utilize the software. You can have a free one. On top of it, we have over 300 plus course videos on the website right here that literally bring you from knowing nothing about crypto to being an expert. From A to Z, you start off in Agartha, you learn the fundamentals of crypto and blockchain and the opportunity at large. Then you go into learning about trading, the fundamentals of trading and technicals, Acopolis. Then you go into Olympus, which is the advanced kind of aspect to the trading and technicals. Then you go into Pangea, where it brings everything together and wraps it all up for you. Plus, we have even tons of bonus course videos in here. On top of it, we're doing one-on-ones. We're hopping on Zoom calls, literally walking, baby steps with our members one-on-ones, teaching them how to apply these strategies. So we're offering a ton of value. And I'm noticing, we're not even charging enough because I'm looking at other people charging $50 a month. And what they're providing is just like, premium channels in the Discord, but they don't have these type of premium channels. That's for sure. So what we're going to do is after this exclusive offer on Monday, we're going up. Our prices are going up. So get in on this exclusive offer. It's $555 for the whole year. So one-off payment, $555. It's right here. I'll put the link in the bio. If you see what we're doing, if you're in the Discord, you're looking at the proof of gains chat. I don't even want to pull that up on video. Join the Discord, go in the proof of gains chat, and just look at the receipts. This $555 offer for one-time payment for the year is the last one we're ever going to do for this year. And it's one-time payment. You get a one-on-one session. You get access to the indicator course videos, 33 videos, personal access to the screener and the software. You get the automated buy and sell signals for the Discord right here. Let me move this over. Our weekly private market updates. We're doing live weekly Q&A sessions as well too. We're teaching people how to do the leverage Femex trading, the derivatives trading. And we did that last week on the call. In 1 hour, we made triple our money on a 50x long on Shiba Inu. We're doing high level stuff, and I want to make sure that the people that are joining see the value. So the value and the prices of these are going up starting Tuesday, as well as on Monday, we're ending this $555 one-off. And there's no more exclusive offers for the rest of the year because we're offering tons of value. We're making our members a bunch of money with these peer-to-peer signals, as well as, anything they need. You want to add XFi signals, we're adding it in there. So we're doing a lot. We're going above and beyond. And we want to make sure that the people that are joining, they see the value. So for a filter mechanism, we're raising the price. So let's dive into the charts. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, Chain, Songbird. We're going to look at some of our peer-to-pair signals our trades that we're in right now. And then I'm going to go over some coins that are on my radar. So like Quant, HBAR again, Algo, Filecoin. And we nailed that Filecoin trade back middle of December. We bought at $2.80. It's sitting at $5 right now. We almost made it double in a month just on spot holdings. So we're going to cover that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let's dive into it. All right, starting off, we got Bitcoin. It's at around $23,200. I'm going to go, let's look at the daily chart because right now we have the prepare to sell soon signal. We don't have a sell now. Let's go to the 2-day chart. We probably have a prepare to sell soon. Prepare to sell soon, yep. 3-day chart. Prepare to sell soon. All right, so now we're seeing a couple high time frames flashing prepare to sell soons around the same time. So now we're getting a little cautious. But what I like to see is we're crossing up through the zero line with the CSI. That's something that we watch a lot. We're flipping into that bullish territory. We are in the bull market as we speak, right? So it's better to be a little more greedy and hold during these times and not panic out of positions. When we had that sell off with BitLatio the other day, a lot of people were panicking. In Stargate, we were level headed. We were seeing, hey, well, we didn't break that key level that we had laid out in the video prior. And as you can see, we started heading up and continuing the trend. And on the 10-day chart, guess what we just did? We just flashed a 10-day buy now. Boom, right there. Isn't that funny? Doesn't this look exactly the same too? Let me hide the EMA ribbon. So look at this buy now that it flashed on this big pump. We got the same big pump and a buy now right there. So what I think and what we've been calling for a little bit is we're going to see something like this. It might be a great couple of months here, 3 to 5 months. We could just see, a channel up like that to retest the 30 to 40K level. And then maybe we come back down. But we're showing signs that the market bottoms in. We had our 10-day buy now here, 10-day buy now here. We just got our 10-day buy now. What I'm thinking is either we go up a little bit, we have one more pull down, then we go, or we're just going to go. That's really where we're at. Every single time there was a 10-day buy now, right? You see the signals. 10-day buy now, bottom of the bear market 2011. 10-day buy now, bottom of the bear market 2015. 10-day buy now, bottom of the bear market in 2019. You see a trend now, right? 2011, 2015, 2019, 2023. Every 4 years, we have a bear market bottom, bear market bottom, bear market bottom, right? We might be in. So now let's look at this. So 2011, now let's look and say, all right, where was our top here? So 2 years of a bull market. And then 2015, we really got out of here around 2016, 2 years of a bull market. Then right here, 2019, 2 years of a bull market, right? So what I'm thinking is we're going to see up only for 2 years. So 2025, right? We'll go like this. I'm not saying we're going to go to $1 million, but I am saying that we're going to go up for 2 years. And then we'll see our bull market top around end of 2024, 2025. And then we will have our bear market. And then by 2026 or 2026 or 2027 it is, we will see our bear market bottom. That's how it's going to play out. That's what it's looking like. That's what the entire history of Bitcoin looked like, where you see every 4 years, bear market bottom, bear market bottom, bear market bottom. So 2027, bear market bottom, and then 2 years of a bull run. So that's what I would see, right? So that's the macro picture. Let's go into the smaller time frames, 12-hour chart. So 12-hour chart, what I really want to see is us do this. Let me hide these signals and just take a look at the basic technicals. All right, this high down to this low, right? We broke through the 786. We broke through the 786. Next stop is 25K, around there. We break through there. We're talking 28 to 33K, just like that. Then if we do have a correction, I'd be targeting this as a solid support level, which is 20,822. And then we have this right here, which is like around 21,800. And then we have this support right here, which is what we just kind of broke through, that 22,500 level, which is that level that we said, hey, if we break through this, we're going to go. And that's what we're seeing. And we're close to doing a weekly close, like very, very strong momentum right now. And we see stock RSI crossing up, TSI crossing. We could just be getting started, for real. Could just be getting started. So Bitcoin looking good. Now let's go to Ethereum. And also to note one thing, if you're ever wondering whether you should sell or buy, just go into the Discord, go to the certain coin that you're wondering for, and just wait now. The new strategy on the bear market, we're looking for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day plus buy nows. Now, vice versa, since we're in a bull market, we're looking for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day plus sell nows to know when to take action for the sells. Okay. So now let's go to Ethereum. We have a bunch of sell warnings, no sell now yet. So if you are holding Ethereum, just wait for the 1 day sell now, because it hit this sell now, hit this sell now, right? I mean, like, it's just next level. So that's what we're waiting for there. And I had told somebody in the Discord that if we get above like 1,550, 1,600, it's game on, and it's looking like it's game on. So Ethereum's going to go up. Now let's go into XRP, XLM, and take a look at it. Let's go to the daily chart, and I'm going to close out these so my computer can go a little faster here. So, all right, 1 day chart for XRP. we need to break through this 200-day moving average, which is sitting at just a little bit above 42 cents. We break through there. Now we're going to look at this high down to this low. And what actually we're kind of pulling it. Down to this low. Then if we can break through above that, then we need to get above 46 cents. Let's say that. Then we're going to retarget around the 52 cent level. Let me actually put this now from this point down to here. Yeah, so the 48 cents. And I would say if we break above 48 cents and hold that as support, it's game on. Because let me put this horizontal line there. We only had kind of pop throughs when we got to this level up here. Pop through, pop down, pop through, pop down. That was like our resistance level. And then when we broke down, rejection, got above, pop down, slam down. Now I would say we're going to come retest that level, 48 cents. And then if we can break above that, and then we're seeing strong momentum, I mean, we could see 78 to 90 cents, maybe even $1 real quick here, especially if there's a news narrative surrounding around XRP as well too. We saw the 3-day buy now signal. We notified people about that on TikTok, YouTube, and the Discord, and we're seeing the price go up. I mean, there's no surprise there. That was a big signal. So that's what we're watching for XRP. If we're going out to like the 2-week chart and it was a 3-week chart we were tracking. This 3-week chart closes the candle in a day and 6 hours. We're seeing the stock RSI cross up. The TSI is very, very close to crossing, and the MACD is close to crossing. I'm probably going to say that it's not going to happen on this candle for the buy now, but I would say that maybe in 3 weeks. So the next 3 weeks, if we have still the momentum up here and we can maintain above 40 cents, then we'll see this cross up. We'll get the 3-week buy now, which is a huge signal, absolute huge signal. So everything is looking good. If you haven't loaded up already, if you're still shorting the market right now, I don't think that's a good move at all. Trend's your friend. You want to maintain in the trend. You don't want to have the bear market trauma of thinking everything is just going to slam down. I think we're turning a new leaf here. So now let's go to XLM, because XLM is just keeping on ripping up. And we nailed this. We nailed this trade. We had said it last night, and we're up against XRP. We're up against HBAR, and that's what we were calling. So XLM right now, I think it's going to easily come up here and to the 10 cent to 12 cent level. Let's go to the 6 hour. We're seeing the momentum. Let's go to the 12 hour. Seeing the cross up on the stock RSI. If we see that cross through the 50 line with the orange line right here, it's game time. We're seeing the TSI cross back up, MACD cross back up. We came down, we retested this 50 line on the RSI, and we're headed back up here. So it's all looking good. Let me go to the 2-week chart for XLM. That was something we were tracking. And we can see this candle closes in 8 days. And we have the stock RSI cross up, the MACD's cross, and the TSI is going to cross in 8 days. It's very likely. So we're going to get a 2-week buy now signal. And that 2-week sell now signal, nail the top here, nail the top here, nail the top here. Let's go to the 3-week. Same thing, same story. Buy warning, cross up, very close, very close. Let's close in a day and 6 hours. If XLM could actually pop up to around 10 to 12 cents, maybe this will cross up and we'll get it in a day and 6 hours. Buy now on that. That would be big. Now let's go to the 10-day, because it's very likely that we flashed the 10-day buy now. Did it back here because that was right when, around this area, was when the FTX thing went down. So that was a fake out, but ultimately we're seeing our real signal come in. Actually, I do think that we had said, hey, look at this last 10-day buy now that came in. That was like a top right there. It was a fake out. We pulled back down and then we ended up going up. I think we were saying that back then, but nonetheless, 12-day chart, 12-day buy warnings. We're going to see this in 3 days, 6 hours. We're going to get a 12-day buy now. The direction's up. Everything, the direction's up. We've been calling the dollar top. It's top. The bond yield's top. It's top. Crypto's up. Stocks up. Commodities up. That's the game plan. And that's how we're going to roll with it until we see a narrative of things changing. What we're tracking now are 2 peer-to-peer trades that we're waiting to play out. Chain on Coinbase. Chain is likely going to pull a double and a triple in a matter of 48 hours. I'm not saying in 48 hours, but when it actually pumps, it will happen in 48 hours. So that's going to be a quick play that we can now, instead of converting into XLM, because what we were doing was we converted XLM into Chain, but we actually made a killing on HBAR, converted that back into XLM right before XLM popped to make up for the XLM that we converted into chain. So what we're doing now is when chain pops, we're going to convert that into XRP to make back the spot holdings that we originally converted into HBAR originally. So we're kind of switching it up, but we're kind of rotating. It's what you got to do. You got to adapt when it comes to trading, and especially doing the pair to pairs. But as you can see with chain, the 1 week chart, we've seen 3 weeks of us holding this level right here. Look at the bodies, and we're going to do it again. So the bodies holding. The wick doesn't matter. The body's what matters. And it does look like chain is ready to stop yanking our chain and to start rallying up here. Look at this sell off, right? Bam, sideways. I think we could just come right back up to around 3 cents. And right now we're hanging out around penny, basically a penny, 0.012. So this could be a quick move. And if we're talking about a triple, I don't think XRP is going to triple or XLM is going to triple before chain does, right? So even if XLM is going up right now a bit, or XRP, chain is going to make it all up in 1 day or 2 days, and it's coming soon. So take note of that. Songbird will do the same thing. I don't care if XRP's up, XLM's up, because I don't think they're going to double before Songbird eventually just pops up like that. We saw how quick Songbird can go. So I'm expecting the same thing too. And especially what we do is with the pair-to-pair signals, when we make a pair-to-pair, we'll hedge by doing like a FEMEX derivative trade long to make up for not having the spot holdings, but we still have exposure to XRP going up. Like currently right now, even though we converted XRP into Songbird, I have a FEMEX long XRP trade in, riding this trend up to make up for the lost spot holdings, waiting for Songbird to go up to convert back into XRP for the spot holdings, right? And we're getting all of our coins back. Maybe you have to sacrifice it for 5 days like we did for XRP to HBAR, but now we have all our XRP back plus more. So you got to take a little risk, scare money don't make money. And if you're trying to grow your coin holdings without putting extra cash into the market, this is the best way to do it. And we provided all the software, the signals, the Discord hooked up specifically for this strategy. So come utilize it. I mean, we're doing this exclusive offer and we're only doing it for 48 hours, and there is 0 more exclusive offers or discounts for the rest of the year. And we're going up on our prices because we're providing probably the most value and all around value, from research to news to software and trading and education. And some guys out here are charging more than us. And I don't see them having this stuff. So we're going up on our price. We're ending the exclusive offer in 48 hours, and we're not doing another one the rest of the year. So lock in your price and bite the bullet. I mean, if you've been watching these videos, or if you're in the Discord, you see the proof of receipts, I think they speak for themselves. So let's go to XLM. This is XLM to HBAR. So HBAR did have a little bit of a bounce, but now XLM looks like it's bouncing now too. So that trade is working out beautifully. What's the other trade? XRP to HBAR. We crushed that. Absolutely crushed that. So NASDAQ to Bitcoin. So this is one chart we've been tracking. I mean, go to the TikTok, go to the YouTube, go on the Discord, trade tracking. And we had said, hey, we have a competitive advantage because we're looking at the charts in a whole nother level here. And we said, if this chart, which is the stock market to Bitcoin, so if this breaks this wedge, then cryptos have bottomed. And we had said, hey, up here, we're like, it's curling down here and we see the momentum is shifting, and we've never before gotten above this red line here in all this history of this chart. So it's looking like the bear market bottom is in, the bull market's on, and that's what we're seeing playing out. Because the entire history of this, every single time we did this like pattern here and we broke down, that was the start of our bull market in crypto, start of our bull market in crypto, bull market in crypto, bull market in crypto, and we just started the next bull market in crypto, 100%. Then we see the reverse of that. This is Bitcoin to the stock market. We just got a 2-week buy now. I mean, we just got a 2-week buy now, and we're seeing that cryptos have bottomed 100%. We're pulling up the pair to pairs. We're looking at this chart to that chart. We're looking at the USD market cap plus USDT market cap against the total crypto market cap. That's another chart we're looking at. Let's pull that up, because in the Discord, we had said that was another one. So here was another chart we were watching as far as knowing if the bull market is on. And what we were watching was this trend line. And we said, hey, there's some convergence of trend lines going. If we break this, then it's likely the bull market is on. And what did we see? With this week's candle, which is going to close tomorrow, we're seeing a break. We are seeing a break. And this, we could revisit and I posted a video a couple of days ago, 2023, we could hit all-time highs. And it's looking likely. It is definitely looking likely because the dollar is in full meltdown mode. We're seeing certain charts that have gauged the bull markets in the past, like flashing the same signs here. We got to follow these signals. So a couple coins on my radar, Quant, HBAR again, because HBAR is strong. I want to make sure, well, I still have the long-term holdings, but as far as the pair-to-pair trade, we crushed it. Now we're into the next one. But I am eyeing the Discord with the pair-to-pair signals for HBAR. Let's pull it up. So in the Discord, I'm going to the pair-to-pairs. I'm looking at the HBAR pairs, and I'm eyeing this for the next pair-to-pair trade for this. So we're going to keep our eyes on HBAR because if it's a top gainer, we want to ride that wave and keep riding that wave and swapping back and forth. So HBAR on the radar, Algo on the radar as well too, and Filecoin. We crushed the Filecoin spot trade. Like literally, you can watch the video we posted on YouTube for free, telling people about it. But so there's a lot of free stuff that we're giving out as well too, trying to just give the value and put people ahead of the game. So right here was when we saw Filecoin down 40% one day. We said, hey, emergency, we're buying. We bought it at $2.72 on December 16th. It is a little more than a month later, like 33 days, 35 days later. Right now, we are spot holdings, and we are currently up 85%. We're up 85%. We're likely going to see the double here soon because Filecoin looks like it's going to pop again because we came down the stock RSI, the 50 line. We're curling back up. MACD went dark green again. TSI looked like it was going to cross down, but now we're curling back up. So like the fireworks are here. So if you want to really execute and not get execute and literally grow your holdings without putting any cash in, but by utilizing what you currently are holding, going pair to pair between the coins that you want to hold. We're not going like pair to pair Doge to XRP because if the trade ends up going bad, we don't want to be stuck holding a bag of Doge. We're going XRP to XLM, XRP to HBAR. We're doing XDC to Songbird, coins that we want to hold. So in the event that, hey, the trade did go the wrong way, we're not going to be mad holding a little more XLM than XRP, right? That's the thing. So we stress tested the strategy. You can't poke any holes in it. It just works. And we've been showing that it works in the Discord, in the proof of gains chat, and the proof of receipts. So get yourself in the Discord. Let me pull this up. I'm going to say it one more time because I'm dead serious. I know I said it a lot before, but I was doing a little research and I'm like, man, we are undervaluing our stuff here because it's next level. Pricing plans. I'm going to link it in the bio. 2023 New Year's offer, one-time payment, 48 hours left till Monday. One-on-one session. You get the course videos, you get the personal access to the software, the automated signals that I just showed you in the Discord, all the research and everything like that, and the group Q&A live sessions. I forgot to add that there. You get that for $555 one-off for the whole year. For these, we are going up on our price. This shouldn't even be there. So anybody who snuck that in, you got to steal. So I got to take this off, but this is going up. The Stargate membership, the all-around package is going up to $444. This is going up to $333. This is going up to $197. This is going up to $97 on Tuesday. And there's not going to be another exclusive offer. So bite the bullet on it. Really, if you've been watching the videos, you've been on the fence, there's no more deals after this and we're going up on the price. So get that. And if you're like, I'll sign up at a later date for the higher price, that's fine. I'm just not ready yet. Then that's fine. Go over to the homepage, stargate-ventures.com. I'll put the link in the bio and just get started on your free accelerator course. Join our free accelerator. You click it, put in your info. You'll get access to 18 videos right here about the opportunity of crypto. You have mission 1 has 9 videos in it. And then mission 2 has what the future system looks like. And there's 9 videos in that as well too. Like those 18 videos are next level. It's like a little kind of sneak peek into our first course program, which has over 100 videos in it. It's called the Gartha. And that has 7 missions in it. So if you like what you see in the accelerator program, mission 1, mission 2, then sign up to get the whole course. There's 7 missions. You're only getting 2 missions in here, but we're giving this away for free so people can get a taste of what Stargate is all about. So have a good weekend. Exclusive offer. Don't forget everything that I said, because I don't want to see any messages saying, hey, I didn't see it. Can we work a deal? No questions asked. There's no more deals after Monday, and we're going up on the prices. I want to see you guys level up. I know you want to see that for yourself too. So come join the Discord, say what up. I will say what up too. And the market's already looking pumpy. So it's time to get back to the charts and to the VIP members. So I'll see you guys over in the Discord. So once you sign up, say, hey, I signed up for the exclusive offer. Let's get it. And then we're going to get you situated. So I'll see you over there.